B/W residence by ACA Architects in Khet, Khen, Thailand. Distinct, discreet, delicate. These are the defining characteristics of this house. The project was constructed from the framework of an original house situated on a 3,200 sqm plot of land. The owners consulted with us on what could be done with the existing house. They're looking for a home that exuded modern character, spaciousness, and high privacy. We conducted a survey of the original house structure and proposed a design approach by keeping the existing foundation as much as possible, and expanding more area with new additional structures, including a living room, a master bedroom, and a parking garage. The design concept explores the proportions of walls, each with a different width, length, and height, defining spaces and creating a unique atmosphere that embraces the openness of the interior. It seamlessly connects with the garden and outdoor swimming pool but still maintains a high level of privacy from the outside view. In terms of material selection, due to the fact that the owner grew up in a house with mostly warm-colored wood components, resulting in a desire for a departure from that look. Therefore, this home was designed differently by incorporating modern materials such as aluminum screens, steel, and glass in monochromatic tone and dark-colored wood. We arranged these materials and designed details to create a feeling of lightness to contrast against the solid and void composition of the building, giving the home a modern appearance and creating interesting spaces in a timeless design to align with the lifestyle and preferences of the homeowners.